These recipes are taking over the internet, so we gotta try them.
Wait, look at that!
You know what? It's like my boobs after breastfeeding.
Fired!
This first one is from Korea.
Butter tteok, also known as butter rice cake, is a new trend in Korea right now. It's so much easier to make than to buy chewy cookies, and this is the best recipe I've tried so far, so make sure to save this video to try it out yourself. First, add all the ingredients listed below and make sure to follow the exact measurements for the best results. Then butter your pan's bald so the mixture doesn't stick. And for another tip, use a pan that's not too shallow or it'll turn out overcooked. Pour the mixture into the pan and bake until crispy. If you followed all the steps, then you just made the best butter tteok ever. So congrats!
Welcome back to our kitchen! Your queens of kitchen chaos, I'm back. First recipe, and I'm so excited for it because this is trending all over Korea. Move over salt bread. This butter tteok is in.
Can't wait to try it. I have not tried it.
You haven't tried it? I've tried it and it's so
I've been wanting to try it.
It's so
but
good.
I want a good one. So hopefully today's one is good.
Fingers crossed. It's so good. It's so nice and chewy. So let's just make it. Let's make the wet ingredients first. In goes an egg. We need 7 grams, so... Wait, this is 49 grams.
How do you get 7 grams? I think I have to mix it in. Oh,
Right. Off to a great start. I'm thinking, yeah, that's probably 1 egg. We clearly do not know the weight of an egg. Well, let's just mix it. It's like, we can't stuff this one up because butter tteok is so good and I'm like, dying to try it.
I need to eat a good one.
Yeah, I don't want you to be disappointed. Literally, is that 7 grams? That's 9 grams. This is like very little egg. Is it even significant in this recipe? 75 grams of sugar. Okay. Oh wait,
Yeah.
now it's 79. Dude, that delay. That's 77. Okay, put it back in. Sorry, my scale is old. It's a bit delayed. 37. Okay, tar. 37. 37. Wait, it's 36, but should I wait? It might be a
Wait.
delayed. Yep,
Yeah,
37. That's how slow it is. 4 grams. I put the salt in, but it didn't even move. I've already put like all this salt in, but it didn't even move 1 gram. It'll be a salty tteok. That should be
Yeah,
enough.
I feel like...
Let's not overdo it.
How much milk?
201.
One.
And 201. Oh, that was 207. We'll have to sip it. Ah, no, I just sipped too much. You know what? 200 is fine, right?
Nah, we gotta stick exactly.
201. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Stand up.
Melted butter, 75. How much is this? Is this 75? It's 50. 70. I did it! I did it! It's like I won the kitchen Olympics just then.
Milk
Okay.
is warm.
We'll melt this
Melt
butter. What did she mix it with?
Yes.
Oh, but I have this. Squeeze. Mix that. Now we add in our warmed milk. Then every last drop, because man, she's precise. Every last drop.
Smells buttery.
Smells like milk and butter. Time for dry ingredients. We need 97 grams of glutinous rice flour. That was 40. Do you think I should cut a bigger hole? 4.99. Gonna take some of it out. Yep, 97. Next, I'm gonna add 52 grams of tapioca powder. Now we slowly incorporate. Okay, Zen, you gotta do that mixture. I'm gonna mix. You add. Teamwork makes the butter tteok work. Please don't be lumpy.
Please, it's butter tteok gone.
It feels really runny. Is this normal? Not really a dough or anything. Okay, guys, it's supposed to be runny, like super runny. That's the process. Okay. I bought some like pretty molds just for this. Okay, like I really need this to work. It's an investment. I need to make this again and again if it's a hit. Stick of butter. Moisturize the pan. All the grooves.
Well buttered.
Well buttered, right?
Yeah,
She didn't
yeah.
have to blend anything. Like this? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, that butter's a bit tragic.
So she leaves about like, let's say like half a centimeter. There? Oh, I think we have enough for all of it. Butter tteok for everybody.
It's good.
If it's good. If it's not, let's eat it ourselves. I think you don't want it too big and you don't want it too thick because it'll be too dense, because butter tteok has to have like a nice crispy outside. So if your pan, like the shape of it, it's too big, I just don't think you'll get that nice crunch. Which is probably why she didn't fill it all the way.
She had like 3 trays.
Yeah, and look at us, we're 1. Rookies! Okay, we'll just have to do another batch. So basically you want to bake this on high first at about 200 degrees for 10 minutes, and then you're going to lower it to 170 for another 20 minutes. So 30 minutes all up. We timing it? Yeah, we're timing it. 177, guys. It is so hot. I should have put gloves on. Zen's admiring the dock. It looks so good and it smells amazing.
Oh, butter dog. I just want to put my tongue on it.
We cooked it for another like 5 minutes and I think it did something. Like that one looks decent. This one, I don't know what happened to you. We're just gonna pry them and hope for the best. Oh!
Wait, look at that!
That's good. That actually, that's good. All right, we just need more of that. Oh, this one's a bit dark, but hey, it's got a bit of that glisten.
Whoa! Whoa!
I think you gotta kind of let it cool. Choose your butter dog. Choose your own adventure. This one is actually
The best
one. This one is okay too.
Yeah,
Runner up.
the rest are a little bit.
I don't know.
Sad.
Maybe when I poured it in or something. Tok, tok, tok.
Ooh! Ooh!
Oh, okay.
I saw the darkness.
The darkness. Cheers. This is, yeah. Actually, I've never had a hot one. This is actually way better than the one that I tried.
I think with the heat, it makes it like. Oh, but it's very buttery. But this is the vibe.
It's almost like a caramel candy on the outside. Careful.
It's like a mochi.
On the outside, it has this nice crunchy shell. It's been caramelized. It's buttery. Then you bite into it. It's got this like soft, pillowy, chewy mochi center. So good. Oh my god. If you guys are a fan of mochi or like anything chewy, boba, obviously mochi, and then you like crunchy, crispy things, try this.
It's kind of like a mochi waffle.
Like the crispiest part of a waffle.
Like a churro.
It's actually so good.
I'm so happy now.
This sent us on a roller coaster, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
Guys, you know what? Don't judge a book by its cover because even when we ate the uglier ones, it actually still delivered.
Yeah.
So,
Homemade.
double thumbs.
Thumb.
Make this. Can you believe people line up for 2 hours to eat this?
All you need for this recipe is some light chocolate and some wonton wrappers. Take the chocolate and add it to the center of your wrapper, and line the edges of the wrapper with some water, and then go in and pinch the wrapper just like this. And then you want to continue to just keep pinching it all around. And you kind of just have to mold it and be careful to not rip the wrapper. Make sure to pinch the top a little tight so the chocolate doesn't leak out. And once you pinch it around, it should look like this. Now to my steamer, I'm just going to line it with this paper and add in our little xiaolong baos. Cover and let it steam for 5 minutes. While that's steaming, let's make the delicious sea salt cream. Just combine some heavy whipping cream with some sugar and a little bit of salt. And just give that a good blend. Transfer that into your serving tray and add just a little sprinkle of some matcha powder. It's been 5 minutes and they look perfect. And that's how you make Din Tai Fung inspired chocolate xiaolong bao dumplings at home.
I've never tried these before.
I've never tried it either. I was gonna say, we have a confession. We both have never tried this. I guess we just don't like lining up, and honestly, I go to Din Tai Fung for the xiaolong bao, like the savory ones.
Yeah.
Right? So, I don't know. Let's see. Let's give this a go. Wonton dumplings. Unravel. I guess this is like cheating because, I mean, Lindt chocolate's already good. Then you know that Lindt chocolate is good because she's finally tried one from our last episode. Lindt ball onto a dumpling wrapper. Wet the sides.
Show us your dumpling skills.
Oh my gosh. Pinch it this way. Like that. And she like wraps it. This is like my audition tape if I ever want to work at Din Tai Fung. This is not working. I have to like move it, right? I don't think
Our wrapper's too small.
Our wrappers are a bit too small for the balls. Just stretch it out a little bit. The manager at Din Tai Fung saw this. Fired.
Next minute I break it.
Fired.
Oh, I need water.
Fired! You know what would be actually really good? And if you guys own a restaurant and you need some PR and would like to hire us, chef,
We'll work for free.
we'll work for free. We bring the chaos to your kitchen.
I feel like our wrapper's just a little bit small. Like,
Like,
we don't
I've-
have space to play with. Ooh, should I do mine like an open concept?
Mine's definitely, mine's a shumai.
Yeah.
How did I make a shumai?
Mine's
Should we make it
yeah.
ours an open concept? Okay.
Maybe
How?
Maybe you wet it and then
What if you suck on the
Pull
ball a little bit so it gets smaller?
you just eat it. Eat off one layer of the chocolate.
That's actually pretty good. Look at mine.
Fired!
You know how like the second one you make is supposed to be better? Mine's gone downhill. It's the taste that matters, and Lindt already did all the work for us. And then I think you got to do the next one because I got fired twice already.
Did I wet it?
Yeah, wet it to soften it. That actually
That's
looks
fully
good. Oh my
toasted already,
god,
fully
that looks
pinched.
so good.
Fired!
And then can you refer a friend for work?
And then I get fired. Double fired.
Since Zen has a job at Din Tai Fung now, she's basically gonna steam it. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna work on the sea salt cream. Fired. Couldn't remember the name. Okay, then bring it over here. In goes sugar, salt, and then whisk. Ta-da!
I mean, she sifts it, but
She sifts it, but that's just another thing to wash. Like,
maybe like use your finger to pinch it, like so it's fine.
okay, you do it. You pinch it.
Might as well just chuck everything in. Ooh, it kind
That
of like
looks
a
good. Okay, how's our dumplings? DTF.
Let's DTF.
Yeah. You just have to Wait, was that all on camera? Was that recording the whole time?
Now y'all see the behind the scenes. Okay, we're ready to try this.
We're ready now, guys. Here. Alright. Ooh, it's thick. Honestly, if I whipped it anymore, it would be butter.
It would be better.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
It's dripping everywhere.
I wanted to show the inside.
We cannot show the inside. We have to eat it. It's good. It's mint, guys. It has to be good. It's good, but I don't think the skin is supposed to taste like this.
The skin's kind of thick, like on top.
Din Tai Fung has a silkier, smoother, like softer skin.
Yeah.
The dumpling skin we used was a little bit stiff and like,
Should we have steamed it for a longer time?
I don't know. I mean, the chocolate filling is good.
Okay, we've never tried the actual Din Tai Fung one, so I can't really compare. But I feel like it would be like a xiaolongbao, but
Exactly. A
chocolate filling,
xiaolongbao is
right?
like soft and like nice.
This one's kind of like chocolate, and then you're eating a piece of dumpling
Wrapper.
Yeah.
It's okay. I think it's pretty good. Like just one thumb. But the sea salt actually is quite nice. Maybe the star of the show for us is this. We'll just put this on everything. But I guess, you know, better than lining up for 2 hours. So yeah. One thumb.
Homemade, healthy.
Healthy. Okay guys, I don't know if this is clickbait or not.
These are mochi cookies, crisp on the edges, soft and chewy in the middle. They're gluten-free since they're made with rice flour, and they have this stretchy texture that's kind of addictive. But honestly, it's really good. First, you'll need mochi flour or glutinous rice flour. Mix in the baking powder, maple syrup, or sugar, but since I'm using sugar, I'll be adding a little maple syrup. Water or milk, or you can use both like me. Oil, and I also added some vanilla extract. The batter should come out slightly thick but smooth. Then you can fold in some chocolate chips or raisins or nuts, whatever you like. Scoop onto a lined baking sheet and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool a bit. They'll crisp on the outside but stay soft and chewy inside.
Did anyone else think that cookie looked a bit questionable?
The comments are funny though.
But she said it was actually delicious, and I've been seeing several of these recipes around. So let's not diss it until we try it. Okay.
We're mochi people.
We love
Can't be-
mochi.
Maybe it looks bad, but it tastes good.
That's what we're hoping. We have 185 grams of glutinous rice flour. We're making a smaller portion than her though. Inside goes baking powder. All right, 110 grams of brown sugar. Maybe our brown sugar will make it brown.
not.
Ours is like that, like boba tea, dark brown sugar. So I'm assuming maybe our cookies won't be as
Pale.
pale. Exactly. Our ones will be tanned. I'm adding 180 grams of milk, maple syrup, and oil. Optional, but you can add in vanilla extract. Let's just do it because I feel like these guys need flavor. Give this a mix. Ours is definitely going to be colorful.
At least it won't look as sad as
I
the
think
white.
that
feel like
was the
color
reason.
matters, right?
The color matters. When you look at a cookie, you want it to look like a
Yeah.
cookie.
Someone said it looks like it died.
Rest in peace. But hey, if it's good, yeah, get in my belly.
Yeah, the color looks good.
Okay, the color looks good. I actually have hopes for this now. So she just pours it on the...
She uses a spoon to like... Yeah.
Okay, so not a regular texture.
Chocolate chips.
Our chocolate chips are massive though.
Her one's quite big too, right?
Okay, now we spoon it. Now we need baking paper. How big is the cookie's gonna be? We don't know. It's gonna just spread. Let's see, first one. It's just gonna spread even more.
Keep going.
At this rate, we can fit like 4.
I feel like there's so much batter.
I know, we have so much. Pray for us, guys. Pray for us. You cook.
I don't know how to describe it.
You know what? It's like my boobs after breastfeeding. After finishing up breastfeeding, this is what you get.
No, it looks like a cookie that got ran over.
I mean, it's crispy. Is it
Like it has
chewy?
that like pull.
Oh yeah, it's got a bit of like that elasticy pull.
I feel like it'll be nice.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I kind of like it.
It's not bad.
I like the texture.
The texture is interesting. It's like eating a crispy cookie.
The filling is a very thin
Chew.
mochi.
How can we make this thicker?
Oh, I like that it's thin.
I want a little bit thicker so then you get more chewy inside. This one's better. If it's super thin, it's all crunch and not much chew. That one's actually good.
I'm vibing with this.
On Pinterest, this will get no saves, but if you try it in real life, I think a lot of people would actually like this. I'm gonna give it a 1.5. 1.5.
I'm gonna give it 2. I really like it.
I'm comparing this with butter dog,
But-
that is why.
I kind of like this more than the butter.
Oh, I actually love the butter dog more.
Maybe because this one's more chocolatey. The butter dog was a little bit like too buttery.
Like you can't eat too much.
Yeah.
I mean, you can, but it would just be sickening.
Yeah.
This one is just kind of like
Then I'm
eating.
like yum 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 yum.
And then like you've eaten 30 cookies, right?
Yeah, and then I hate myself.
Yeah. This one's definitely easier to make.
You don't even need a mold. It doesn't have to look pretty. You just dump it and it's good to go.
This one's all for flavor. Try it out. That's all the viral recipes we have for you guys. Let me know what you...
I love it today.
You love it?
I love it.
What's your ranking?
Chapsai cookies, butter dog, Din Tai Fung.
Mine's butter dog first, and then the cookies, and then Din Tai Fung.
We both agree Din Tai Fung is you can pass on that.
Yeah, pass on that. But the other two, definitely worth trying out. And if you guys want to see more kitchen chaos, as always, click the video down below. Subscribe to our channels.
Yes!
Don't forget to thumb this video.
Oh, it's like a fan. Oh, look.
Oh my god. We'll speak to you guys next time.
Bye.